In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put music on a USB drive from your laptop. So what you need to do is first have your music files. So I've just got some music files open here in a folder. And what I'm going to do is now plug in my USB drive. Now, once we've got the USB drive plugged in, it may already open, but what we'll do is we'll prepare our workspace. So I'm going to double click on my file explorer and find my music tracks. So here they are. I've only got 3 of them, but you can add as many as you want. What I'm also going to do is right click on File Explorer, then click File Explorer again. And here we can go ahead and find the USB drive. So if we scroll down, we're looking for this PC, and then you should see a USB drive appear once it's plugged in. You can then double click on that. So on the left here, we've got our music tracks, and on the right here, we've got our USB. All we need to do now is highlight all of our music tracks. We can then right click on them and click copy. And then on your USB drive, you can right click again, then click paste, and it will copy them from your music window to your USB drive. Make sure then you click on the upwards arrow in the bottom right, you right click on the USB drive icon, then you click eject to safely remove and eject your USB.